Traffic sign. Part 2. No overtaking. It's mean overtaking other vehicles is prohibited. Turn right only. It's mean drivers must turn right. Keep left or right. It's mean indicates the side on which to pass an obstacle. Roundabout. It's mean indicates a roundabout ahead. Follow the direction shown. Parking. It's mean indicates a parking area. Gas station. It's mean indicates the presence of a fuel station. Camping site. Its mean shows the location of a campsite. Hotel. Its mean indicates nearly lodging facilities. Restaurant. Its mean points to dining establishments. Traffic congestion sign. Its mean warns of traffic jams or slow or moving vehicles ahead. Not stopping sign. Its mean you are not allowed to stop your vehicle at any time. No truck sign. Its mean trucks are not allowed on this road. No horn sign. Its mean using the horn is not allowed in this area. No smoking sign. Its mean smoking is prohibited in this area. Steep hill descent sign. Its mean the road ahead goes steeply downhill. Use brakes carefully. Road narrows sign. Its mean the road becomes narrower ahead. Be cautious. Children crossing sign. Its mean children may be crossing the road, usually near schools. Traffic signal ahead sign. Its mean a traffic light is coming up soon. Slow down. Low clearance sign. Its mean the space above is limited. Tall vehicles may not fit. Dead end street sign. Its mean the road ends ahead. No through traffic. Railway crossing sign. Its mean a train track crosses the road ahead. Look and listen. Two-way traffic sign. Its mean you'll be sharing the road with traffic from both directions. Crosswind sign. Its mean strong winds may push your vehicle sideways. Be careful. Route marker sign. Its mean shows the number or name of a highway or route. Bus stop sign. Its mean buses stop here to pick up or drop off passengers. Toll road sign. Its mean this road requires payment to use. Lane ends merge right sign. Its mean the left lane ends soon. Merge to the right. Uneven road ahead sign. Its mean the road is bumpy or has an irregular surface. Stop. Its mean you must stop completely. No parking. Its mean you cannot leave your car here. One way. Its mean you can drive only as one direction. Speed limit. Its mean do not drive faster than this number. Turn left only, it's mean you can only turn left. Give way, it's mean let other cars go first. Do not enter, it's mean you cannot go this direction. No U-turn, it's mean you cannot turn around here. Curve ahead, it's mean the road will bend. Slippery when wet, it's mean the road is dangerous when it's wet. Pedestrian crossing, it's mean people may cross the street here. Traffic light ahead, it's mean a signal is coming up. School zone, it's mean drive slow, kids may be around. Animal crossing, it's mean animals may cross the road. Falling rocks, it's mean rocks may fall from above. Highway exit, it's mean way to leave the highway. Rest area, it's mean a place to stop and rest. Hospital, it's mean hospital nearby. Men at work, it's mean people are working on the road. Bicycle path, it's mean road for bicycles. No pedestrians, it's mean people are not allowed to walk here.